Did you know how to become a millionaire with Tesla stock? Keep watching to find out why Cathie Wood, a star investor, said so. With the recent fluctuations of stock prices, a lot of investors have been concerned, understandably, with their respective investments, including that of Tesla stock. While some remain bullish, other investors lost faith and started to sell the stocks they were holding. No one can blame them, though, as it is their hard-earned money at stake. Despite this issue, find out how to become a millionaire with Tesla stock, according to Cathie Wood. Tesla, as most may well know it by now, is an American automotive and clean energy company that designs, develops, manufactures, leases, and sells electric vehicles and energy generation and storage systems in the United States and other parts of the world. With futuristic and eco-friendly goals, Tesla became a name known all over the globe. In fact, Tesla is the leading automaker in the electric vehicle market, with other automakers following not far behind. Who is Cathie Wood, and why are her words worth listening to? Cathie Wood was described by Forbes as an American investor, a star stock picker, and the founder, CEO, and CIO of ARK Invest, a company with $60 billion in assets that invests in innovations like self-driving cars and genomics. Cathie Wood is often called the most underrated investor in the game, since not only is she incredibly persuasive in her investment arguments, but she has also got the proven results to back up her surprisingly discerning claims. Wood is also known to provide monthly updates about several things like monetary and economic policies, innovations, what can be expected in her field of expertise, and comments on the Fed's decisions. The Federal Reserve System, commonly known as the Fed, is the central bank of the U.S., which regulates the U.S. monetary and financial system. In recent months, Cathie Wood saw Tesla as being worth nearly $5 trillion in 2026. Star investor fund ARK Investment Management bets big on electric vehicle maker Tesla. Wood stated in a recent interview that her base case on Tesla is around $3,000 a share, and continued to say that their estimate for Tesla's success has gone up. She explained that this is due to their market share that went up dramatically instead of going down, despite other companies' ventures into the electric vehicle industry. Although with the recent downfall of Tesla stock prices, news of Wood selling some of her Tesla stocks spread like wildfire across the web. According to news, longtime Tesla bull Cathie Wood started looking slightly less bullish. Elon Musk-led electric vehicle giant Tesla fell from its spot as the largest holding in ARK Invest's flagship ARK Innovation ETF in the past month for the first time in nearly 5 years, as the fund has steadily trimmed its stake in the company in recent months. However, news of ARK Invest's Cathie Wood getting back on the Tesla bandwagon in a big way made rounds on the internet once more. Now, Wood is snapping up shares of the beaten-down stock again. According to news, 2 of her exchange-traded funds scooped up Tesla shares a few days ago. ARK Next Generation ETF, ARKW, bought 1,107 shares, and ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ARKQ, bought 1,893 shares. ARK Investment Management has purchased an estimated $28 million worth of Tesla shares, as a sharp sell-off in technology peers deepened losses in the hard-hit stock. The move comes after Zoom, ZM, overtook Tesla as ARK's largest holding, with the electric car manufacturer holding the second largest weight in the portfolio place. Cathie Wood is said to be on a buying spree of Tesla stocks as prices continue to go down. ARK Invest shed almost 0.5% of its position in Tesla when the company shares climbed and sold 8,100 shares with an estimated worth of around $5.76 million. Because of this, Tesla remains one of Wood's closely followed innovation-focused ETFs. Do you believe that you can eventually become a millionaire with Tesla stock? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. CEO of investment research firm New Constructs, David Traynor, said, "Tesla has been down every day, so it's going to be hard to maintain a position when the stock has been getting crushed that much. But I also think it does reflect a little bit of a change in confidence." He added to say, "A lot has happened in the last few months that would give anybody with a sense of fiduciary duty pause about what to think about Elon Musk and the businesses he's involved in." Still, Wood remains a vocal Tesla proponent. In fact, in an April interview with Yahoo Finance, Wood said that her confidence remains highest in Tesla. This comment came after Woods revealed ARK had met with General Motors CEO Mary Barra. The General Motors Company is an American multinational automotive manufacturing corporation and is the largest automaker in the United States and was the largest in the world for 77 years until losing the top spot to Toyota. Why does Cathie Wood believe that one can become a millionaire with Tesla stock? According to her, when you look at Tesla's revenue growth for the past 5 years, it is compounded at roughly 48% per year. She emphasized that it was even at a time when Tesla has been facing a lot of controversies. She further stated that their forecast, referring to herself and ARK Invest, for the next 10 years is in the 50 to 60% range. Why buy Tesla stock? According to a recent article published in Barron's Magazine, an American weekly magazine newspaper covering U.S. financial information, market developments, and relevant statistics, now is a pretty good time to buy Tesla stock. Although some analysts foresee a crash and others expect gains of more than 100%, the debate is far from settled, but two metrics make shares of the electric vehicle leader look unusually attractive. Analysts say the average price target is about $984 for Tesla shares, implying gains of about 35% from recent levels. The last time the metric looked that good was in March 2020, when the market sold off as the pandemic hit the U.S. In a recent video, Wood explains how investors have the chance to become a millionaire by holding Tesla shares until 2025. When asked about her reasons for setting a $3,000 price target for Tesla by 2025, she said that there are a few key variables, one of which is the market share of the EV market, which is in the low 20s worldwide, as she claimed, and she believes Tesla will be able to achieve that. She added that currently in the US it is around 60% share. Wood shares that they, referring to herself and her investment company ARK Invest, believe that Tesla will continue to lead the electric vehicle market, especially if Tesla is the first to be successful in autonomous driving in the United States. She said, "We're beginning to believe that not only will Tesla take the biggest share of the electric vehicle market, we also believe that it could take 20% to 25% share of the total auto market in 5 years. That's by 2026. Some may wonder what proves that buying Tesla stock will make them rich. For one, it was reported on December 28, 2021 that Musk disclosed Tesla stock sales totaling $16.4 billion since early November, amounting to nearly 10% of his stake in the company. Additionally, Tesla reported Q1 2022 net income of $3.3 billion, a quarterly record exceeding Wall Street estimates, as revenue surged 81% year over year to $18.8 billion. Of course, there is no guarantee that Tesla will be able to report the same satisfying numbers for investors, especially given how stock prices in the stock market have been performing badly, although the term is used loosely. Not only Tesla has been experiencing a downfall in stock prices, but also large corporations from across the globe. This imbalance in the economy has been brought about by global issues like the COVID-19 pandemic and Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Undeniably, these circumstances have greatly affected the world's economy, aside from the inflation and upcoming global recession analysts are predicting. Some may ask what guarantees that Tesla will perform well despite these roadblocks. According to analysts and investors alike, Tesla is still on top of the electric vehicle or EVs industry. Again, Musk disclosed Tesla stock sales totaling $16.4 billion since early November of last year. Remember that production had been affected by the COVID lockdowns in China? Additionally, on March 22, 2022, Tesla officially opened its German plant near Berlin, supplementing auto assembly plants in Shanghai, Texas, and California. Moreover, on March 28, 2022, Tesla disclosed plans for a stock split, conditional on stockholder approval to expand the company's authorized number of shares at its 2022 annual meeting. Again, note that there is no guarantee that Tesla will perform as well as how analysts have predicted or how Elon Musk himself expected. There are a lot of variables that affect how stocks perform, so it is important to conduct a thorough study of the stock market before venturing into that field. Watch our other videos in our channel for more Tesla stock content.